this video, I have to be quiet because it's like 9:31 in the morning. And I'm here with the owner of the game. And we are on Stock Market Simulator slots. Now, I was just joining the server, and then I joined in on this one. I didn't want to, but I just amazingly joined into this one, which surprised me so much. And I just thought I'll make a video on it. So, of course, this game, you'll never get a whole jackpot. I mean, I've been playing this game, so I know, like, 3 different. $5 of cash goes down. This is a Discord type of game, so sell 1, sell all. Buy 10, sell 1, sell all. Buy 1, sell 1, buy 10. It's just confusing. I'm super surprised to be in the game with the owner. I've never been in a game with an owner before. That's the owner, Fave is the owner, and that is her friend. Oh my god. As you can tell that it's the owner because it says that. If we search up Fave, I'm legit. Watch that later. See, she is this creator of the game, Fave. I'm in the game with Fave. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm in the game with the owner. Boy, I'm legit just freaking out. I don't know, what are they? I'm waiting for Disc to rise. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Whatever, I'm going to end this video here, see what happens. Thank you all for watching. I was super excited about that. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace out, Girl Scouts.